This is Maria. What's your last name, Maria?
Ramos, R-A-M-O-S.
And what are you competing in?
I'm competing for the long evening hair design.
Awesome. Have you been practicing?
A lot.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Very much so, even though I'm a little bit nervous.
Okay.
This is a big competition. And
I think we're all nervous.
I guess we are.
We're going to have fun. It's only, what, 4 days away?
Yes. And I think by going here
Yes.
and competing the nationals, it's going to be
life-changing. Yeah, we all are winners and life-changing experience for everybody,
exactly.
right?
And this is an experience of a lifetime. Especially for me, a woman in my age with not much experience.
I won't ask you how old you are.
I am 61 years old and I'll be 62
Woo.
on July 19.
Yay.
It's a pleasure to join this business, and I'm really excited about it.
How excited?
Something to look forward.
All right. Tell them what school you're from and everything.
I am from Portugal.
You are?
Yes.
But
and I've been living in this country for 36 years. And on January 3rd of 2011, I joined the Malden Empire School.
Woo!
And Malden is woo-hoo!
Awesome.
We are all excited about it. And Candy, what do you think? Are we excited?
We're very excited, people. We're gonna bring down the house.
What?
You
Maria's
be scared.
gonna what?
Be very scared.
Yay, Maria!
Bye.
Thank you, guys.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, guys.
Good luck, okay?
Yes.
We'll see
thank
you there.
Very much. Bye-bye.